Hi everyone, Sarah here from ClinicSync Pro, and this is the third welcome and tutorial video for our new product, ClinicSync Pro AI Receptionist. And in this one, I'm going to talk about how the setup in GHL works. If you haven't watched the first two videos, go ahead, make sure that you go ahead and watch them. The first one is basically a quick overview of the ClinicSync Pro cockpit. As you can see on the right hand side, this is how it works. This is what you can see, and this is everything that you can actually play with and adjust, plus our developer API as well. Now, on the left hand side, I'm going to talk about some of the fields and how actually the AI is going to work within your GHL or any other platforms that you want to use. In this case, I'm just going to talk about how it's going to work with GoHighLevel. All right, so the first thing that you might notice is we're gonna have two custom fields automatically generated for you. And the reason that we made two custom fields is basically to avoid some of the race condition and delays inside GHL when in a automation it tries to send the SMS, and it might take a couple of seconds for it to send an SMS because our backend and our AI is quickly updating the messages. GHL needs to catch up, so that's why we're putting that second field in there. As the automation wise, it's extremely simple. So if I go to ClinicSync Pro, we only have like three automations, and one of them is obviously when a user replied. That means that whenever you receive a message. Now, the beauty of this can work with any channel. So it can work with your SMS, it can work with your Facebook Messenger, Instagram Messenger, uh, Google My Business, any of those. And all you need to do is just basically just put our API in here, our webhook in here, and we do the rest. So this is basically when your GHL receiver message basically passes to us. We work on that message, and then we automatically going to update the custom field, which is the CSP AI reply. And once that gets updated, you can obviously choose which channel that needs to go back. Would it be SMS? Would it be chat widget or whatever? And your literally your field is going to be like this, and that's all. The rest that are like the if condition and this one, it's basically to avoid the race condition that we were talking about. So once again, supremely simple to set up. By getting this Clinic Sync Pro AI Receptionist, you don't need to do any of those calendar sync, creating calendars, creating a staff, doing the shifts, and those kind of things inside GHL. This is plug and play and reads all of those details from Jane and directly book the patient, cancel or reschedule within Jane. Let me know if you have any question, but this is now available and live on your account. You should be able to go there and basically upgrade and get access to that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.